Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashwal. So today's video is about how to edit the pictures the way I've edited it recently on my social media. If you guys would have seen, which came out really well. So if you guys want to edit your pictures the way I've done it, just watch the video to the end. The pictures will come out really well. And before we start the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. So let me mention one thing, guys. Before you edit this video, edit the pictures. Let me inform you this: the picture I've taken has come out in a different angle, different lighting. So the editing is worked out. Not that all the pictures will work out the same editing. Make sure you do little changes here and there so that it suits your picture. Just try editing the way I've done it. If it doesn't turn out well, just make sure you do those changes here and there that it suits your picture. So let's get started.
So first thing, just download these two apps, Snapseed and Lightroom, and this is what we're going to edit from that's the before picture and after picture together. So firstly you just open the Lightroom app. So just add a picture whichever you want. I'm going to use one of the document pictures that I've got. So yeah, this one. So once you import it, just open all photos, you'll find it there. Just open that image. So once you open the image, you'll have this kind of setup. First click on light. In light exposure, make it minus 0.21. Then contrast to 50. Yeah, 50. And make highlights to minus 23. Shadows to 46. Whites, make it minus 80. Yeah, minus 80. And blacks to 60. See, if you just double tap, it's going to reset. So you can just click on left and right to adjust it. So just make whites to 80 and minus 80, sorry, and blacks to 60. Then open the curve option and just follow as I do. Just follow the curves and make sure those dots place exactly where I position them. It's right at the intersection of those boxes. So just click on done. Then yeah, that's it. Then go to color. In color, you adjust the vibrance to 50, saturation to minus 10. That's it from color. Then click on mix and go to the red color first. In red, set the hue to minus 14, saturation to 50, and luminance to 14. Now orange, set hue to minus 10, saturation to minus 23, and luminance to 26. Now for the color yellow, the same three. So for the yellow, hue goes to minus 100, saturation to minus 30, and luminance to 26. Yeah, to 26. Now rest all the colors, that is green, cyan, blue, purple and magenta, all these colors, just set the saturation to minus 100. Make sure it's all minus 100, yes. Then click on done. Now click on FX. On FX, go to clarity and increase it to 60. For dehaze, make it -20. And for vignette, make it -10. Now go to split tone. Yes, split tone. In that, for highlights, make hue to 220 and saturation to 10. So slide left and right for hue, and for saturation, up and down. So set it in such a way that hue becomes 220 and saturation is 10 for the highlights. And for shadow, make hue as 219 and saturation as 5. It's a pretty tricky thing to do, but just make sure you're really patient and you can easily get it done. So that's it, click done. Then we go to details. Detailing, in that we increase the sharpness to 20 and noise reduction to 35. Rest remains as it is. To 35, done. So whatever we have with Lightroom, it's completely done. This is what we get in the Lightroom image after editing. So just save this image. If you click on 3 dots, you can copy the presets to other pictures. Otherwise, just click on the share button and save it to your device. Once it's saved, just open your Snapseed and add this, import the picture again. So import the picture that we need. In this, click on portrait style immediately, because the face is not detected. So using the tools, we cannot increase the portrait editing. So just click on styles on portrait. So you guys can see that. So face is not detected, so we cannot use portrait. So in styles, just click on portrait. Then click on tools. Then for brightness, just make it around 5. Contrast to 13. Saturation to -18, ambience to -15. So see, this is all according to what the picture is going to look like. So you can adjust the Snapseed settings according to what you want, so that the picture enhances and looks better. So you guys can see the shadows to -38 and warmth I've kept it to 0 itself. Highlights to 1. So you need to make the object pop out from the background. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm sharpening the image to 13 and the structure to 10. And you can also remove unwanted objects. So just click on the healing option and remove the signboard. And there's also this dark line which I don't want to be there in this image, so I'm just removing it. And on the left you can see some mark on the wall, so that kind of looks awkward, so I'm going to remove that too. So you just have to drag on the position where you want, where you don't want that to be there. So you better zoom it to have a better, you can draw it better. So that's it. So you can see the difference between before and after. Now go to vignette again and set the, selective, and click on the objects where you want to brighten or increase the structure or and stuff. Because I have my hair is kind of brown, so I want to make it look more like a copperish color. So I'm setting it accordingly to that. And for my face, I'm going to increase the brightness, because that's the main, me and the bike is the main object in this image. It needs to look brighter than the other side. So just set it according to how the image looks at the end as an end result. And also for the shoes is because a darker tone of the shoes would look really good in this picture. That's what I'm doing. I'm kind of increasing the saturation and the structure a little bit to make this look really good. So I'm doing it for the other shoe as well. So you just long press it, you can zoom and place the selective object. Then click on vignette, and outer brightness and inner brightness you can set accordingly. First, place the circle towards you, or the object that you're going to brighten that particular circle, and decrease the brightness of the border. So now you guys can see this is the complete edited image that I have recently posted. Just save the image. Let me show you guys the difference in a minute. So let's go to gallery, and you guys can see the difference. This is the raw image and this is the edited one.
So guys, thank you for watching the video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel to get notified. So more videos like this will be coming on. So stay home, stay safe.